Hello everyone, welcome to Encode Decoded. In this class, we are going to discuss about ternary operator. It is a shortened version of the if-else statement. If you haven't watched the conditional statements video, please go and watch it right now. In this ternary operator syntax, we have two blocks and one condition. Those two blocks are if and else. So here statements on true. If the condition is true, then it will execute. If expression, that is condition. Else statement on false. If the condition is false, then this statement will execute. So here the leftmost statement belongs to the if and the rightmost statement belongs to the else. These will be executed based on the condition. Let's take an example, that is num equals to 30, and if num greater than 20, print number greater than 20, else print number less than 20. As we know that num value as 30 greater than 20, so if block will execute, that is number greater than 20. Now we are going to write the same example by using ternary operator. As we know the syntax, that is, first we need to mention the statements on true, that is number greater than 20, and then if, next condition, then else, and the statement on false. Let's take num equals to 30. First it will check the condition, that is num greater than 20. As we know that 30 greater than 20, it is true. Then it will execute the if block of statements, that is print number greater than 20, and so we see the output as number greater than 20. Let's make use of the same example and update the num value as 10. So here num value as 10 and 10 greater than 20, it is false. Hence execute the else block of statements, that is number less than 20. There we can see the output. Let's write a example to find the largest number among three numbers. Let's take n1 equals to 5, n2 equals to 10, and n3 equals to 7. And if the number n1 is greater than n2 and n3, then n1 is the largest number. And if n2 is greater than n3 and n2 is greater than n1, then n2 is the largest number. If the both conditions is false, then the remaining the number n3 is largest number. So here we got the output as 10 because n2 is greater than n3, that is 10 is greater than 7, and n2 is greater than n1, that is 5. Let's update the value of n1 as 50. Now n1 50 is greater than n2, that is 10, and 50 is greater than 7, so print n1, that is 50. Now update the value of n3 as 70. Here n1 greater than n2, 50 greater than 10 is true, but n1 greater than n3, 50 is greater than 70, it is false, hence if block won't execute. Now coming to elif block. Here n2 greater than n3, that is 10 greater than 70 is false, hence it won't also execute. Then execute the else block, that is print n3, that is 70. Okay, now we are going to implement the example by using the ternary operator. For that, I am taking the values of n1, n2 and n3. Now I just want to check with two numbers. For example, like if n1 greater than n2. If the n1 is greater than n2, it is true, then print n1. So that I am printing n1, and here if the condition is false, then else return n2. Here we have check for n1 and n2, but we need to include the n3 also. For that, in left side of the if statement, return n1 if n1 greater than n3, else n3. So here, n1 greater than n3 is true, then return n1, else n3. Now we are going to move on to the else statement. Here n2 is here. Return n2 if n2 greater than n3, that is n2 greater than n3 is true, then return n2, else return n3. 5 greater than, we have the values as n1 equals to 5, n2 equals to 10 and n3 equal to 7. Now check n1 greater than n2, that is 5 greater than 10. Here it is false, so execute the else block. So here again we are going to check n2 greater than n3, that is 10 greater than 7. Yes, it is true, and return n2, that is 10. Now update the value of n1, that is 15. Now again check the condition, that is n1 greater than n2, that is 50 greater than 10. Yes, it is true. Hence execute the if block of statements. Here we again check the condition, that is n1 greater than n3, that is 50 greater than 7. Yes, it is again true. So return n1, that is 50. Now again update the value of n3, that is 70. So here we are going to check n1 greater than n2, that is 5 greater than 10. Here it is false. So hence execute the else block, that is again we need to check here n2 greater than n3, that is 10 greater than 70. Again it is false, hence execute the else block, that is n3, return n3, that is 70. This is all about ternary operator. Thank you.